Hi, this is JR, Director of Marketing and R&D for the AGS company. Today we're going to talk about our new product line, Rust Solutions, specifically surface prep, rust conversion, and rust paint. And before we do, I just want to touch on safety. Always wear eye, skin, and respiratory protection when painting. So let's go take a look on how they work. Today's subject is an old propeller or fan blade that we found in an antique store. Thought this was the perfect example because this thing is cruddy. Plus we have 6 opportunities to show you the different products. So let's get to work. So the first part in any painting job is preparation. Preparation is key to good adhesion and long-lasting coatings. So here I'm removing any of the loose scale with a wire brush. Just get anything loose. You see I didn't put much effort into it. Now I'm hitting it with the AOR 99 surface prep. And this basically, I'm removing any kind of oils or greases that may affect adhesion or cause delamination. You can see it's a pretty simple process. I'll hit it again, make sure I got everything off. And there you go. And I'll magically cover it with tin foil. Now the surface is dry and clean and it's time to apply our rust paint. What you don't see is off camera, I shook the can for about 2 minutes to get the ball bearing and all the solvents mixed with the paint. A simple back and forth coat, a back and forth pattern about 6 to 8 inches above the surface is all you need. I applied 2 coats on this, came out great. I can leave it as is or I can top coat it with my favorite color. Now we're going to apply rust converter to the fan. I shook the bottle off camera. I like to use a little plastic cup if I'm doing a small area like this. You can use a trigger bottle if you're doing a large area. I also like a little foam brush. These things are inexpensive and disposable. And I apply it on over the rust. And you can see, get good coverage. It'll turn green and eventually it will turn black. You want to get in all the nooks and crannies, anywhere you think paint's going to be applied. Now get good coverage, maybe put on, hit any spots you missed, and then we're going to let it sit for 4 or 5 hours. Okay, the propeller's been sitting about 4 or 5 hours. You can see how everything is turned black. The rust has been converted to an inert surface and it's ready for paint. Make sure it's dry before you apply any paint to it. And then we're going to use our quart of rust paint, AOR 32. This is our new black gloss rust paint. It's not available at the time of this taping, but maybe by the time you see this, it'll be on the market. So again, I'm using the cheap disposable foam brush. You can see I get good coverage. Again, I shook the can off camera to make sure everything is dispersed in there because there are some solids. But you can see how easy this applies. You can apply it with this brush, an HVLP gun, anything pneumatic that will work. You don't need to reduce it and you can apply directly out of the can. Now, like I said, this is our new gloss version. I've done 1 coat. I waited about 10 minutes. Now I'm applying a second coat. And this thing is already tacky, but good coverage. And again, I'm just going to put 2 coats on here and it'll look great and last for a long time. So just like the aerosol, the quarts and gallons can be left as is because they are UV resistant, or you can top coat them with your favorite color. Well, I hope you learned a little bit today about surface preparation, rust conversion, and rust painting. Look for other videos at rustsolutions.com, and thanks for watching and have a great day.